All right, this is a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. And if you have between a 2016 and 2018 Hyundai Tucson, then this video is for you. All right. If you're driving and your car starts shaking, you know, the steering wheel, the engine starts shaking. I'm saying so. And if you check the computer and you get the P1326, then it's time to change the knock sensor, which is this guy right here. All right. And for that, I'm gonna have to remove all this. Okay. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole clan, gang, community, everybody. All right. Thank you for the love. Thank you for support. You know how to support the channel too. Click on the like the video, share the video. You know, get your membership. Also, the other way you can support the channel is by right below this screen. There's a heart. It says Super Thanks. Click on that. All right. You see what I'm saying? All right. Let's do this. Gotta change the knock sensor in this baby between 2016 and 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Come with me. Come on. All right. So first, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Okay. You see it right here. That's gonna be a what 8 millimeter. Oh shit. Is that 10 millimeter? Okay. Maybe it's 10 millimeter. Like that, alright. Put it down there. Good. Now right here. That, just like that. Now pop this. Okay. You're gonna need some like this. Or go. This guy is gonna be funny. 2/10. Good. We have okay. This whole hole over here. I think it's 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter here too. Okay. If you spray some WD-40, it's gonna help you a lot. Just to make it easier though. Here. There you go. There you go. We Gucci? Okay. All right. Side. Let's start disconnecting this connectors. All right. Whatever is adhere to this, we're gonna disconnect it. Ooh, that was vacuum. There's some clips down here too. Probably you want to do that from the bottom. Right. When you see a connector bone dry, spray some WD-40. It's gonna help you a lot. All right. We're gonna isolate this guy. Okay, here where everything is beautiful. Got clips here, clip here, another clip over here, and then it's this bracket right here. With if it's not 12, it's 13. Okay, you see it better right there. This guy right here. All right. We're gonna remove that with the clips, and then we're Gucci on that side. This side doesn't have clips, as far as I can tell. All right, we're gonna do that. All right. There's those clips over there at the bottom. I want to do this. There's one over here, here, here. Look like a 13 here. Am I gonna have to like remove that? Just in case. Like that. Alright. I don't think it's 12 though, but let me check. Oh yeah. It's at 12. Okay. I was gonna get the 'Magnet, get the magnet. Right. It's one here in the back. We're gonna need a ratchet for that. Alright. Oh, it's 12, okay? 12 millimeter. For this 12 on the size. The same size, same length. I think it would be easier to remove that throttle. Because unless I remove those hoses, throttle has a 4 bolts, 10 millimeter. Fuck, I'm gonna do those 4. It's got right here. I don't see no gasket. Is it cracked? Hopefully not. Okay. Yeah, fuck, I'm just gonna do a 10 millimeter there. Is that 10 millimeter? Okay. Just to make it easier, faster, swivel, 13 deep socket. electric ratchet. Yeah. So they're the same length. Hopefully with this I can there's another one over here. Here. No 12. Oh, that's another one, same size as the other ones. Let's see what else. No, I gotta do this one right here. Alright, that's a bracket. The one that I told you, do the one on top. But you gotta do the bottom. Okay. There you go. Alright. It's gonna be a little bit sticky. Over there, the throttle. Once you remove the 4 bolts, just do it like that and it's gonna come out. This one's gonna be a little bit sticky. Now, make sure there's nothing on the way. We should be Gucci. Alright. It's another hose. Okay. Let me show you. It's this hose right here. This one, okay? Just follow it. What you do it there at the bottom. 2 hoses, my bad. Alright, if you can now flip it, you're gonna have to disconnect these hoses. This one right here, and this one right here at the bottom. See if we can just flip it. Or you can just do that. Leave it right there. Okay. Because the guy we're looking for is right here. Let me show you. That one right there. That one. Okay. And connects right there. And it's right here. And it's right here. So a clip right there. That guy right there. Look like a 12. Yeah. So this is the old one. This thing that is, it clicks in that bracket down there. If you can slide it out, right, it's gonna break. Okay, you don't need it, so pretty much. Now install the new one and put everything back the same way you remove it. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this knock sensor. That's in between 2016, 2018 Hyundai Tucson knock sensor. Trouble code P1326. Highlight your boy, support the channel. Click on the heart, super tense, do that, alright? All that, highlight your boy, I'm back now.